Hello and welcome to my video, the reverse folding umbrella versus the classic folding umbrella. This reverse umbrella has new, innovative fold technology. This is a reverse folding umbrella and this is a classic folding umbrella. The folding technology is different between the two umbrellas. The classic folding umbrella folds downward, which allows the water droplets to drip and drain downward onto your hair, face, your makeup, clothes, into the car or floor. Also, the classic folding umbrella is difficult to close when you're getting in a car, a train, or in tight places. Also, the classic folding umbrella is not windproof. A gust of wind can reverse the classic folding umbrella's canopy, causing the umbrella to invert or turn upward and inside out. This can rip and break the rib structure of the umbrella. In contrast, the reverse umbrella has the reverse folding inward and upward technology. This innovative reverse folding frame collapses the umbrella inwards, trapping any water droplets inside the canopy to prevent leakage. It keeps you and your belongings dry when entering and exiting from tight spaces like cars, buses, trains, and doorways. This reverse umbrella is available in a variety of colors and designs for both men and women. The upside down reverse umbrella features a unique inside out reverse folding frame that's windproof for long lasting durability. The inverted folding technology makes it easy to enter and exit cars, doors, and other tight spaces without getting wet. The inverted frame traps water when closing, ensuring pesky droplets fly away instead of in your face. It is windproof. The reverse umbrella is made with 8 twin layered reinforced fiberglass ribs, offering outstanding wind resistance and equipped with fail-safe inversion technology to invert the frame during extremely high gusts of wind to prevent the ribs from snapping. The umbrella is double layered fabric. Its large canopy features an additional layer of fabric on its underside, which helps protect the ribs from the elements and prevent rust, and the umbrella ribs will not get caught in your hair. Also, it allows the stylish design to be seen under the umbrella canopy by encasing and hiding the structural ribs. The cost of a reverse umbrella starts at only $20 to $35, which are available online and in stores. This concludes the reverse folding umbrella versus the classic folding umbrella. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please check out my face painting and body painting videos and other videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.